5 in 4 growth czar pledges the economy will grow by 5% in the next 4 years. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, arrangements made for surrender of the dad. It's claimed killed his 3-year-old child.
Cops get new equipment to respond to emergencies.
Foreign national dies in car crash out west.
And in the business day, fuel prices touch 2016 highs.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the introduction of a computer-aided dispatch system for the police to respond to emergencies will assist in the fight against crime?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.